Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, October 30. Welcome to today's selection of top China news stories. 1. Zhongkou Aerospace completes a dedicated launch station for Lijian 2. On October 28th, Zhongkou Aerospace completed the Lijian 2 dedicated launch site in the Dongfeng Commercial Aerospace Innovation Test Zone. This key ground facility integrates a vertical launch pad, diversion trough, and fueling system. It features breakthroughs in 6-point frequency modulation and dual-cylinder technologies, offering low-cost, high compatibility, and supporting the entire rocket testing and launch process, paving the way for high-frequency rocket launches. 2. Shenzhou 21 launch approaching, revealing its human-centered design. The Shenzhou 21 spacecraft combination has been transferred to the Jiuquan Launch Center and is expected to lift off as soon as October 31 with 3 astronauts on board. Its official mission logo, designed by the Sichuan Academy of Fine Arts, breaks traditional technical symbolism by using the astronaut's helmet as the main visual element. Reflected in the visor is the docking scene between the spacecraft and the space station, incorporating motifs of ancient astronomical instruments and the colors of China's national flag. 3. World's first world model smart data factory settles in Wuhan. On October 28th, Wuhan's East Lake High-Tech Zone signed an agreement to build the world's first world model-driven intelligent data factory. Jointly developed by the Hubei Humanoid Robot Innovation Center and Best World, the factory simulates physical laws to generate large-scale synthetic data, providing training resources that help humanoid robots autonomously adapt to complex environments. 4. Major progress in China's rural road construction. From January to September, China completed 75,000 kilometers of new and renovated rural roads with a total investment of 275.34 billion yuan, 75.4% of the annual goal. Safety and protection projects are also advancing rapidly. 47,000 kilometers of safety improvements and 3,238 small bridge reconstructions have been completed. Additionally, maintenance projects now cover 148,000 kilometers, while the Work for Project initiative has created 32,000 rural jobs to support rural revitalization. 5. Guangdong Highway adopts 3D printed sound barriers. On October 28th, the Heihui section of the Changshan Expressway used 3D printing technology to create wave-shaped sound barriers that combine noise reduction with regional aesthetics. The digitalized design process layers concrete material for precision and efficiency and adds fluorescent elements for enhanced night driving safety. 6. Jiangsu University launches International Industry Academia Cooperation Week. On October 27th in Suzhou, Jiangsu University opened its International Industry Academia Research Cooperation Week with over 350 guests from 34 countries. 10 major international projects were released, covering new energy, medicine, and cultural heritage. The Jiangsu Africa University Alliance was also established, linking universities in 13 Chinese provinces with 23 African institutions to promote global innovation collaboration. 7. Jiuchu Yongzhen's 140-ton liquid oxygen methane engine ready for assembly. Jiuchu Yongzhen announced that its 140-ton class Fengwen liquid oxygen methane engine will complete assembly by the end of this year and conduct a full ignition test in the first quarter of 2026. The engine uses a full-flow staged combustion cycle, supports multi-engine layouts for rockets exceeding 6,000 tons of thrust, and has already accumulated orders worth over 400 million yuan. 8. China unveils proposals for the 15th five-year plan. The new plan emphasizes using a modernized national system to make breakthroughs in key technologies, such as integrated circuits and industrial machinery. It strengthens enterprise innovation and promotes future industries like artificial intelligence and quantum technology as new growth drivers for China's modernization. 9. Discovery of a potential super-Earth 18 light-years from Earth. Astronomers have discovered an exoplanet named GG251c orbiting a red dwarf star 18 light-years from Earth. It is about 4 times Earth's mass and lies in the star's habitable zone, meaning if it has a suitable atmosphere, liquid water could exist, making it a promising target for future life detection missions. 10. China Black Tea Conference to open in Wuzhou. The China Tea Circulation Association announced that the 2025 China Black Tea Conference and Luba Tea Culture Festival will be held in Wuzhou from November 12th to 16th, themed around 1,000 years of dark tea wisdom. It will feature 10 key events showcasing 6 major categories of dark tea and related digital achievements. 11. Chinese Arctic expedition breaks records. On October 27th, China's research team aboard the icebreaker Exploration 3 and the manned submersible Striver completed a 98-day Arctic mission covering 15,000 nautical miles and reaching depths of 5,277 meters. For the first time, the Striver and Jiaolong submersibles conducted synchronized under-ice operations, making China the only country capable of continuous manned operations in dense Arctic ice. 12. Shanghai Jiaotong University and CATL set a new photovoltaic efficiency record. On October 27th, the two institutions announced a breakthrough perovskite solar module with an area of 1 by 2 meters and a certified photoelectric conversion efficiency of 20.05%, setting a new world record. 13. China completes full localization of high-temperature superconducting basebands. The Chinese Academy of Sciences announced a successful production of second-generation high-temperature superconducting Hastelloy basebands, just 0.046 millimeters thick and over 2 kilometers long, meeting international standards and achieving full domestic production. 14. Beijing's first rail-sea rail transport route to Greece reduces delivery time by 7 days. On October 28th, the first intermodal train carrying photovoltaic and rubber products departed from Shijiazhuan to Greece's Piraeus port, connecting through Tianjin port. The new route cuts transit time by at least 7 days compared to traditional shipping around the Strait of Gibraltar. 15. Record-breaking steel beam installed in Shanghai. Early on October 26th, a 154.8-meter-long blue steel beam was successfully installed on Yanggao North Road in Shanghai's Pudong district, breaking 2 national records for maximum span and load tonnage during bridge transport. 16. Smart navigation buoys deployed in Wanzhou section of Yangtze River. 9 new retro-style smart buoys made from eco-friendly polyethylene were installed, featuring depth sensors and automatic cable systems for real-time water level detection, replacing traditional steel buoys. 17. China surpasses 235 million gigabit broadband users. As of September, gigabit broadband users reached 235 million, 33.9% penetration, while 5G users rose to 1.154 billion and total base stations to 4.646 million, maintaining China's lead in global high-speed network deployment. 18. China Mobile and Huawei release Quality Inspection Antenna White Paper. Announced on October 28th, the new system improves antenna operation and maintenance efficiency by 30 times and has already been piloted in Shenzhen and Liaoning, with plans for nationwide rollout. 19. China Telecom builds world's longest commercial hollow fiber optic cable. In late October, China Telecom completed a 110-kilometer cross-border hollow fiber optic cable linking Dongguan and Hong Kong financial data centers, reducing signal latency by more than 30% to just 0.93 milliseconds, a new industry record. 20. Xi'an East Railway Station main structure completed. On October 27th, construction of Xi'an East Station, the largest high-speed railway station in western China, was finished. Inspired by Qin Mountains and Silk Road architecture, it uses 15,000 tons of steel and will handle up to 36.5 million passengers annually. 21. 11th National Centralized Drug Procurement results released. On October 27th, 55 commonly used clinical drugs covering infections, cancer, and diabetes were successfully purchased from 272 companies, emphasizing quality and affordability while ensuring stable medical supply. 22. China completes 4K Ultra HD terrestrial broadcast test. The National Engineering Lab for Digital Television and Partners successfully tested China's DTMB Plus 4K system, confirming that the domestically developed DTMB standard can broadcast 4K Ultra HD programs with cost-effectiveness and scalability. 23. China's fastest electric motorcycle, Storm X, sets national record. On October 28th, Shouqi Technologies' Storm X electric motorcycle hit 155 km/h at the Heizhi 3 circuit in Shandong province, setting a new domestic speed record while maintaining over 300 km of range thanks to advanced control and thermal management systems.